What's going on, guys? I'm here to talk about the Amazon seller reviews and ratings columns and how to turn your columns that look like this into data that you can use. And so the first thing I'll have to explain is the concept behind this second scan for this data. So you've already scanned your spreadsheet. So why isn't this data already included in the initial scan? Well, the answer is simple. This data is extremely difficult to get, and the method that we use to obtain this data is significantly slower than the process for the rest of the spreadsheet. So if we included this data with the rest of it, it would take, guys, it would take you much longer to search your spreadsheets. So what we realized was that most sellers don't really care if Amazon is selling on a listing, or they don't really care to see that data unless it was a product that was selling well and was potentially profitable for them to sell. And as you guys know, in a list of hundreds of products, you would be lucky to find one or two or three products that are actual potential winners that sell and can be purchased at a price to make a profit. So you usually only care if Amazon is selling the product for a very small batch of products, for your short list of products. And so that's why we've set it up as a secondary search in this way. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. First thing we're going to do is we're going to filter our list to a shorter list of potentially profitable products. So you can do this very quickly by using our built-in potential winners view, a grid view, but I'm going to do it the hard way just so you can see how the program works. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for products that have a sales rank that is less than or equal to, I'm just going to pick a number here, of 100,000. And I'm looking for products that have a profit of greater than or equal to, let's call it $4. See, the list has already shrunk quite dramatically. So I had almost 500 products in here, and running all 500 would have been silly when I really only care about, a short list of products, and I'm getting to that short list now. And so then I may look at this and say, well, I want to filter this down further, or I may feel like this is enough, and now I want to start to dig into the detail of each of these products. And one of the things that I want to look at is number of reviews and if Amazon is a seller. So I'm going to select all of these, and I can do that, or I can select individual lines. Just what you can do either or, but I'm going to go ahead and select all of these now. And you can see once I select them, now I could click this button, and it tells me that I have 28 out of 500 selected. Now the reason that's there is we limit the search to 500 at a time. And guys, you should never have to use anywhere close to 500 at a time if you are actually filtering your list to a short list prior to using this feature, which is the only way it really makes sense to use. And there's a technical reason why we limit it at 500 for the Windows application. So that is a technical issue. And if you're looking for something that does not have a limit, we do offer a product with our web application that has no limits. It's our Web App Pro product, and I suggest you check that out. But guys, you should almost never need more than 500. So in this case, we're only processing 28. So we're going to click Show Reviews at Amazon Data, and you're going to see, just like that, it's going to come in. We can see where Amazon is selling, and we can see our reviews. So it's just that easy, guys. So now, if I want to filter by whether Amazon is a competing seller on the listings, I could do that very easily by using that filter right there. So now I've just taken all of so these are all of the listings Amazon is selling on. These are all of the listings Amazon is not selling on. So I've just filtered that out. That's it, guys. It's just that simple. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope you enjoy this feature. This is not a new feature, but I realized we didn't have a video for it. So I created a new video. Hope you guys like it and enjoy it. Take care.